Hello dear student of class 7. Welcome to DV Mile Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher Mr. Manisa, and dear student, today we are going to learn about major religions and we are going to revise major religions topic. Here we have learned about Islam religion. We know that Islam was founded by Prophet Muhammad and he was born in Mecca in 570 Common Era. We know Mecca and Medina are two holy places, holy cities of pilgrimage for the Muslim. And Quran was written in Arabic provides the Muslim believers with everything that they need to lead a good and pious life. So dear student, we also learn the Quran says that regulate one's life into true Muslim. A person has to observe the following principles. Some principles. Principle like first principle is he should always proclaim oneness of God. Every Muslim should offer prayers 5 times daily. It's namaz. One should give alms to the poor. Every Muslim should keep fast, roza, during the holy month of Ramzan from dawn to dusk. One should, if possible, go on Hajj to Makkah at least once in lifetime. So these are the principles in Muslim community. Here the Quran is the holy book of Islam religion, and Makkah and Medina are two holy cities in pilgrimage for the Muslims. The greatest contributions of Muhammad was that he united scattered Arab empire under one faith. We also learned about Sikhism. The origin of Sikhism can be traced back to the time of Guru Nanak, and he was the first Guru of Sikhs. Guru Nanak established Sangat and Pangat. Sangat is the religious gathering where everyone recites the name of God without any distinction of caste, creed, color, and race. And Pangat is eating langar by sitting together in a row without any distinction of rich or poor, caste or creed, race or color. Guru Nanak preached through kirtans. Guru Tegh Bahadur and Guru Gobind Singh are the Guru of Sikhism. We know that Guru Nanak was the Guru in Sikhism. So, the second Guru was Guru Angad, and last Guru was Guru Gobind Singh. And the last Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, created the Khalsa Panth at Anandpur and popularly known as Takht Sri Keshgarh Sahib. Every Amritdhari Sikh has to have all 5 kakars on his body all the time. They are the symbols of Sikhism. They are Kesh, Kanga, Kara, Kacha and Kirpan. Ks, 5 Ks. They are Kesh, Kanga, Kara, Kacha and Kirpan. So, Bhakti movement. We have also learned about the Bhakti movement in previous period. Bhakti means complete submission and devotion to God. Bhakti movement started during medieval period. Bhakti movement started in the south in Tamil region during 7th and 8th century. So it preached devotion and loving relationship between devotee and the god to attain moksha. Vaishnavites, Shaivites condemn rigidity ties of casteism and taught the lesson of love, devotion, and equality. The Bhakti saints used the local language to preach their message. Ramananda took the ideas. Ramananda took the ideas of Bhakti to north, and Ramananda was the pioneer of Bhakti movement. We know Kabir composed padas and dohas in the praise of the Supreme God. It is said that when he died, his Hindu and Muslim followers started fighting about the last rites. When they lifted the cloth covering his body, they only found flowers. So here the example of कबीर दास के दोहे, साही इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुंब समाए, मैं भी भूखा न रहूं साधु न भूखा जाए. So one example of padas, one example of dohas. So the worship of Rama was made popular by Tulsidas in north, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Bengal, Odisha, Mirabai in Rajasthan, Narsimha Mehta in Gujarat, and Surdas in Uttar Pradesh were the ardent devotees of Krishna. These were the devotees of Krishna. They worshipped Krishna with love, devotional songs, and dance. Next was Sufism. Next is Sufism, and we have learned about the Sufism. Sufism was inspired by Quran and believed in one God only. The word Sufi is derived from Suf, wool, as this mystic wore a long woolen coat. Sufis believe that all human beings are children of one God. Love for humanity is the love for God. They believed in Guru-Shishya relationship, and Guru was known as Peer, teacher, and Shishya. The Peers live in Ganghas along with their disciples. Some of the practices among the Sufis were similar to Hinduism and Buddhism: penance, fasting, pranayam, good deeds, and beliefs in equality among all, without any distinction of color, caste, or creed. So, dear student, here is some monument in Sufism: Dargah Sheikh Bayuddin Zakaria and Dargah Nizamuddin Auliya. Dargah of Nizamuddin Auliya. In Sufism, there were 5 orders, silsilas of Sufism. 3 famous were Chishti order was established by Khwaja Mainuddin Chishti. Suravardi order was established by Sheikh Bahauddin Zakaria, and Naqshbandi order was established by Khwaja Baqi Bittaha. Here, I hope you understand today's topic. So, here the assignment question on today's topic: what are the teachings of Islam and which are saint in Bhakti movement? Write 4 names in it. So, dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. So, you should write these questions and its answer in your notebook. So, dear student, thank you for watching this video. and thank you for making me a part of your day. Thank you for today and have a nice day ahead.